Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale 5 acres of prime St. Anne real estate. This property is located in Belle and is situated equidistant to Runaway Bay, Discovery Bay, and Brownstown, with the world-renowned Dover Raceway even closer. This beautiful property has an unobstructed panoramic view of the north coast along with the hills of St. Anne. Due to its elevation, it removes one from the smoke and smog, yet is close enough to enjoy all the area has to offer. The community has seen a growth in residential development with roads, piped water, and electricity. It is conveniently located around Ocho Rios with many attractions and features. The property comes fully approved for subdivision and is ideal for luxury townhouses and villas. Over 3 dozen 3 bedrooms. 2 recently built houses are also already on the property. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 950,000 or Jamaican $146.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.